Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to discuss about count function. I'm going to showing you the exploring the count function. And the count function there are few options I'll show you, like the count if, and the count blank, and the count and decount and the decount. So I'm gonna showing you one by one and step by step. I'm gonna start with the count. Here I open a sample, and this is the example for showing you. I already made up a worksheet, and here you can see the data is given here. So use the count in here, the count function. I'm gonna show you here in the data. You can see the few data and few number in there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the equal, then say count, use, then it say the value. I'm gonna use the value from this one, from here, and you can use also the more value, like value 2 and dot dot dot. You can use like the more and more, but for now I'm use the value from range, like B3 to B11, and close it. Then let me hit on enter. So it say the 4, the result say. So what do you understand about the 4? It's mean it's only counted the number, it doesn't count the word or the alphabet. Like here you can see 1, 2, 3 and 4, it count the 4 and it doesn't count this alphabets. So now you can understand about the count. Then I'm going to show you about the count if. So here the count if is a function to count cells that meet a single criteria, and here I'm using the count if arguments. Here it say the range and criteria. Count if can be used to count cells with dates, numbers and text that meet specific criteria. So count if count cells that meet a criteria we can use. Here I'm using example. Here the data it say the fruit, then it's given the price, then there's a stock. So I'm used here the count no of fruit. So how I use it? It is very easy way. Just what I'm gonna use, just equal, then say count if, then use the range, and if I use this range, then comma, and use the greater than and less than and close it. Before that what I'm gonna do, I'm inverted comma and greater than, less than and close it. Here it's come with the 6 fruit, the number of fruit is 6, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Just write count it and select the range and use this formula, and it will come up the total count. Okay, the next number of item. How many items are there? How can you do it? Just here it say the count. If I click on here, number of item is less than $6. So how can you found it? Use the formula count if, select the range, and if I say or less than 6 and close down, so just use this function and it will come up with the number of item is less than $6. Okay, now you can see, just you can change if there is another. If I use like 3, let me use the 3, then what will come? It's now come 3 because 3 is where, and 5 and 5 it total number of item less than 6. Okay, then what I'm gonna do, number of item stock if it is greater than 130. So how it will come? Just click, use count if, and then write count if, then use the range, this one. Then what you have to do, just use and say 130 and close it, then hit the enter. Now you can see here is the 3. Then if I gonna change like this one, if I say 150, then let me see it how it will come. It's now 3, 1, 2 and 3, you can see. And if I change like this 160, So let me check it. It's now 4. Okay, so with the count if function, so you can easily find out this kind of function for your work. Okay, then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the another result. Let me show you. Here you can see the list of data and here the search for. So what I'll do, let me use again count it and select the range. If I use this one, use this one for search, just I'm gonna select it and use this function. So just close it and hit the enter. Now you can find the result is the 1. It's only count the word. Okay, the next one I can use for this one, like here this is looking for 5. If you want to use the something like the your any number, just you can use here. Okay, the next one, so it's the blank. If you say, you can see here the blank, and if I want to take out this one, it's found the blank. The same example, same formula you can use. Just use the range and criteria. I select the criteria this one, or you can write the blank. It's up to you. Like if I take out this one, blank one, and if I use this one, so it's come up like this, but I need to take out this one. So what I'm gonna do, it doesn't any information, but for now I'm just saying that. Okay, close it. Now it's mean when you click in here, you can find the blank, you can take out. If I take out, so you can find the more blank. Okay, search option, just you can do like here how many text in here. So how can you do that? Use count if and use the criteria, select. Then what I'm gonna do, use, let me just check it and close it, hit on the enter. Now you can see here the text, 4 text it's found. If I take out this one, now you can see it's now 3. Okay, so it's very easy to find out the text with this formula. Okay, just you can now use the bakery goods in here. And how can you find out the apple? Just you need to type the first one, then it will come up the next one. Just simply just select the range and use the apple, then use the text. So but you don't know, but it will come up to your counted function in the result. Okay, so same as you can do for the another example. If I show you, this is the looking for text, and you can find out in your result. Now you can find out the result easy way. Then decount, so the decount function. So here I already used the some data, student name, or the student name, grade and genders and age, and I filter it. So what I'm gonna do, I'll just find out, just say decount, say the database. So I'm using this database for now. Then use the field, it asks me to fill. So what field I want to use? This one. If I use, then what I'm gonna do, I use the criteria. So from here I can use, I need to check that too, close it, hit on the enter. Now you can find here what is looking for age 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here you can find the 8 results, and you can use like if I use the grade 85, let me see how it will come. 85, it's come up the 2. And if you say the male children, you find there the 2. And if I use the female, like let me click on the one, now it cannot find the female, the number scored, like the she got only the 94, and is for reason is come up the result 0. Okay, so this is kind of the easy way. Just you need to use the formula, and you can use this formula to your worksheet to find out any data or any kind of information in your worksheet. And you can also sort out with this data, and you can also use this data very easily. Okay, so that's for today. I hope that the tutorial help you very much. If you have any comments, please leave in below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.